Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me, Krishna, again in this channel that always give you the information about places in Bali with the update situation. How are you today? I hope you're doing good, stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Okay, today I'm back in Seminyak area. Since some of you asked me about how is the situation in Seminyak area, especially during rainy season. So today I will walk along this street. This is Jalan Kayu Aya. Maybe most of you know already about this street. And also later I will go to Seminyak Square, guys. And as you can see today, it's a bit cloudy, so maybe it will rain soon. But let's see how is the situation. Don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. Okay, so this is the situation here at Jalan Kayu Aya, and as you can see, the street situation is normal. It's not really busy, few scooters and cars passing by. And here in the front is the red carpet. They are open, but of course by this time it's not really busy. Almost no one is there yet. But if you come at evening time, there will be a lot of people there, guys. And here also there is a small cafe by the Coco Mart. And last time someone asked me about the bistro. Unfortunately, they're still closed and it says it will open soon. But the shops around here are open, and next to it here is the Lapa Villa is also will be open in the evening time. So this is the situation during rainy season in Bali, guys. As you can see today is very cloudy and I think it will rain soon, but hopefully it's not really heavy rain so that I can keep walking and update the situations around here. And here on the left side is the Goat Cafe or bar. And as you can see, there are some people here where you can enjoy your drinks, and also you can watch a lot of sports games or matches, guys. Okay, so let's continue. It's starting raining, guys, but let's keep walking. Anyway, during rainy season, the temperature is almost the same, like 27 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius. So you still can do your normal activity. Maybe it's a good idea just to bring umbrella when you go out, guys. Where to get umbrella, you can buy it like a lot of shops that have umbrellas. And also, I think you can borrow from your hotel where you stay. They will provide umbrellas as well. So you don't need to worry actually about it. And last time someone asked me about where is the flooding area. Mostly not in this area, guys, or especially like tourist area. Mostly flooding will be happen in around Denpasar city area. But you need to be careful as well when you go out, especially when you drive scooter. But mostly will be fine. Only very seldom area in Bali will get like flooding. And here in front of us, as you can see, a lot of scooters that are available for rent. So you can rent scooter in this place, and also if you don't want to go out from your hotel, you can search online and you can book online as well, guys. And here on the left side is Kimberly Spa. They are open and this is the menu: body massage, foot massage, and etc. But so far in this area, all the businesses are open. And here on the left side is Heliconia Villas. Last time we had our guests staying here. So anybody of you like to stay there? And here in front of us, as you can see, 70% off discount for the Bumbo Blonde. It's quite famous brand as well, I think, in Bali. Here there's nice cafe open, but I just forgot the name. But it's the same situation, still very quiet by this time. And here in front of us is the Ultimo. As you can see, guys, it's very quiet too. It was Cha-Cha Bar before, so they changed the name now, become Ultimo, guys. If you've been to Bali before COVID-19, Ultimo was on the other side, which is kind of like a restaurant, but now they have moved into that place to Cha-Cha Bar, so they changed the name into Ultimo. So no more Cha-Cha Bar, but the concept, the service is still there, guys. And here is Salazon Cafe. But it's the same situation, still quiet. And this is a nice hotel, I think it's Easy Hotel Seminyak. Anyway, along this street there are a lot of villas, hotels that you can stay, guys. I think it is kind of like a good area for you to stay, because when you walk out you can see everything. Restaurants, cafes, bars, shops, of course. But if you like to stay in a quiet place, I think this is not for you, because very crowded and sometimes traffics, and sometimes here there will be bad traffics and a lot of taxi driver keep honking and try to get customers, guys. So a little bit noisy sometimes. Here is the Italian Job Restaurant. It's quite famous too. So this is the street situations, guys. As you can see, it's getting busier now. And there are some people walking around on the sidewalk, which is good to see that. I think they don't mind with small rain. And here is the Nirvana bar or cafe. It's a nice place, isn't it? Okay, so let's continue. Here in front of us is Cafe Bali. It's quite a famous cafe as well here. And here, maybe most of you know, or some of you know, this is the Upasha Hotel. And they have kind of like a small cafe in front of their hotel, like you see here in front of us. And at evening time, sometimes they have live music, guys. And here next to it, if you like to do exercise, they have their gym here. They have their pool as well, and also their cafe. I think I found the same concept with this one in Sanur as well, in front of the Maya Resort. And here is Changi Restaurant. It's also another famous restaurant here in Seminyak. Anyway, there are a lot of nice restaurants along this street, guys. Chandi, Italian job, and later we will see the Mikonia's restaurant. It depends on the what kind of food that you like to eat for your lunch or dinner. And here, left side or along this street, you will see a lot of shops that open. So if you like to do some shopping, you will have a lot of options. And here is the Mikonia's restaurant, and of course by this time still very quiet, but when you come like dinner time it will be busy, guys.
To be fair though, honestly, I reckon
Okay, so let's continue. If you go straight to that road in front of us, you will go to Seminyak Village, and if you continue to Kayu Jati Street or Jalan Kayu Jati, you will go to Mexico lah, guys. But this time I will just cross the road and let's go and see the Seminyak Square, which is in front of us. The Seminyak Square is quite famous because they have a lot of shops which is sell branded stuff, and also in front of the shops they have kind of like a small market where you can do some shopping as well, guys. And here all are the shops, and I think quite busy because a lot of cars parking here. And here in the front of the shops, as you can see, this is kind of like our market area where you can do some shopping as well. In this market, you can do bargaining. So when they give you the price, you can start your negotiation. So it's kind of like a good game actually to negotiate. And you will see a lot of similar market like these around in Seminyak, guys, because close by from here there are also kind of like Kayu Aya Square or something like that. It's also the same things, a lot of shops or market like this, and where you can buy like souvenirs or handicrafts, clothes, mostly bags and etc. And here there are some more cafes as well. I have Babi Guling, Coffee, Bistro. And also Mega Art, which is they sell a lot of souvenirs as well. Okay everyone, that's all for today's short video from this area in Seminyak. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.